This is a G35, something that used to be really cool back in the day. And I still appreciate these cars for what they are nowadays. I actually know the person who owned this car for a while. They got into a sideswipe collision, and this video is just gonna be a quick before and an after. Let's see what we can do to make it that much better. Looks like somebody's did some work here before. Body filler on a hood is really not ideal, but in this case, I had to just try to make it look better than it was. Also, repaired the spoiler. I figure I'm gonna blend the spoiler in black with the mirrors so they match. I'm hoping she likes it. We're done with the G35. We repaired the side. We did a lot of paint correction on it. Try to make it look better. I think it's actually very clean.